Hey guys, this is Darren Reviews. We're back in action, and I'm back. See, I'm clean shave. I look good, and today I got some Wendy's breakfast. I don't think I've never reviewed this before. Before I get started, remember to hit that notification bell to get notified. Subscribe to my channel. This is Darren Reviews. I do from spicy. I do food reviews. I do all that. So get ready for the ride. And today I'm gonna be gulping this Sonic. They call it a Frappuccino. Kind of like a Frappuccino, but look at it. See, that's it right there, guys. That's what it looks like. It's chocolate. Ice cold. I'm gonna be chugging that later. But y'all came for the real review. And this is the review of the, I'm gonna show y'all. They have some good stuff at Wendy's, some good breakfast. They got a maple bacon croissant sandwich I'm going to try next. I'm going to review that next. But I got here pretty early at work and I had time to go get me some breakfast. So I wanted to review this. I got two of them. I'm going to just do only one right now. See, there it is. Got the Wendy's on there. So let's hop into this review. Can't wait. Okay. That's it. Look at it, guys. You can see the honey butter on the bread, in the bread. Let's open the top up. Oh, look at it, guys. See that honey butter on the chicken? This is our honey butter chicken biscuit from Wendy's. Don't it look phenomenal? Don't you want a bite? You want a piece, guys? Come on, take a bite of it. But and look at the biscuit. It looks fluffy, soft, creamy. And we're about to hop into this. Hope everybody's doing good today. Hope everybody's doing good, having a good Friday. Everybody getting ready for Thanksgiving. Next week's Thanksgiving, next Thursday, guys. Seems like this year's just flew by, guys. It's crazy, everything that's happened, the election and everything going on in the world. But I hope everybody's doing good, and God bless everybody. Hope everybody's having a good day and have a good Friday. And remember to like this video. Hope everybody loves the videos. I do this for fun. I don't do this for views or subscribers. I just do these videos for fun. I love doing videos, and I love reviewing stuff and eating stuff. I love doing all that stuff. So anyway, without no more talk, no talk, let's check out Wendy's honey butter chicken biscuit. 3, 2, 1. The meat's tender, moist, soft. That honey butter just, it sends the sorry guys. It sends the biscuit to the next level, the honey butter does. Mmm. That's delicious. Guys, y'all need to go try one of these. It's just phenomenal. To me, the best chicken biscuits Chick-fil-A, but Wendy's, they got some good breakfast. See it, guys? That chicken.